just take a moment and get into these edges.
Well, sometimes I go out by myself.
Brittney here. Hey, it's Brittney on YouTube. I know I haven't done a video in forever, but I decided to do a makeup tutorial. If you're interested in this look, stay tuned. It's going to probably be like a couple-minute video, nothing super extravagant. So subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
And I miss your ginger hair and the way you like the dress. I want you to come on over. Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie. 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 Did you have to go to jail? Put your house on up for sale. Did you get a good lawyer? I hope you didn't catch a tan. Hope you'll find the right man who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. And are you busy? And did you have to pay that fine that you were dodging all the time? Are you still dizzy? 'Cause since I come home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like the dress. I want you to come on over and stop making a fool out of me. Oh, why don't you come on over, Valerie? Sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water, and I think of all the things what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. Since I come home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like the dress. I want you to come on over and stop making a fool out of me. Oh, why don't you come on over?